Hix AI Review. Is this writing tool worth it? So Hix AI is an all-in-one AI writing assistant offering a suite of over 120 tools, including content generation, rewriting, summarizing, multilingual support, and AI detection, bypassing, and even more. It's aimed at writers, students, marketers, and professionals looking for an integrated content solution. So the pros of Hix AI is it offers comprehensive toolsets, which includes content generations. It also has multilingual support, which is up to more than 50 languages. It also has a user-friendly interface and a lot of integrations. It even has a flexible pricing tiers. So although there are some free limited plans, there are also some cheaper and affordable flexible pricings. They also have popular light humanization. However, there are some cons to consider. So it has inconsistent AI detection by passing. It also has a mixed user experience. There are also some quality controls and concerns, and there are ethical and reliability risks. So overall, Hex AI brings a powerful blend of writing tools, multilingual support, and integration, which is great if you want one platform for drafting, editing, optimizing, and humanizing content.